get more people to go to the shortage areas. What is this current status of reform? At this time, the bill has not totally been accepted by both parties. Because there is a Democratic president and the Republicans are against the majority of the bill, President Obama has invited the Republicans into the White House to try to pick up the discussion of the bill to try to come to some agreement.
So to kind of make this more relevant to us, we kind of focus on how the healthcare reform is going to impact Ohio specifically. There are 11.5 million residents in Ohio, and most of them will benefit from the healthcare reform. The 1.4 million residents of Ohio who do not currently have insurance and the 533,000 residents who have non-group insurance could get affordable coverage through the implementation of this plan. About 942,000 Ohio residents could potentially qualify for tax credits to assist them in purchasing health care coverage that's more affordable for them and more suitable to their needs. There are 4 segments of the Ohio population that the health care reform is really going to focus on and help out, and the first is Ohio families. In order to ensure the safety of these families within their insurance plans, the reform will remove the ability of health insurance companies to place lifetime limits on the coverage that they provide, and it'll also have annual limits of insurance companies will be restricted. Insurance will no longer be able to drop the coverage of Ohioans without explanation, and the reform will provide insurance to Ohioans that may have been previously denied due to high risk, which is kind of what Ross was talking about a little bit with discrimination. People with conditions like diabetes or high blood pressure are currently automatically placed into what's called a high-risk pool, and when they apply for insurance, that makes them automatically get turned down. So a segment of the reform is going to kind of target this problem and provide that insurance coverage to those people even though they have previous conditions. And then also the reform has the ability to save Ohio families up to $1,200 on premiums. The next group that it impacts are senior citizens. There are 1.8 million seniors in Ohio currently utilizing Medicare that will receive free preventative services as a part of the reform. And this idea of preventative services is pretty important because what they're trying to do is detect illnesses